Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today's video is just going to be a quick makeup look because I'm on my way. Excuse the background noise. I live next to a highway and I'm sitting next to the door right now, so if you hear any noise, cars pass by, that's why. So like I said, today I'm just doing some quick makeup because I have somewhere to go. But yeah, let's get started. Starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I'm gonna use that in a mixture of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I use both kinda. I use this to outline my brows and then I go in to fill in with this. I don't know, I used to like this, but now that I've, I guess, started using brow pencils more, I can really go without this. But I mean, I paid for it, so I'm just trying to use it, I guess. Girl, I don't know what this wig is doing. I curled it, and I guess the humidity just made it drop already. But I just curled it like probably 30 minutes ago. It is so hard for me to do brows because one of my eyes is bigger than the other one, so this side sits up a lot higher than this side, so it's really hard for me to get my brows to actually be even, because it's like no matter what, this one is kind of like always arched up and taller, if you can tell, and this one is just like, so it's always hard for me to get my brows looking even similar to each other. And like, even when I would go get them waxed, they would always be like, oh, you know, this one is way higher than this one, and like one would be way thinner than the other one, so it's kind of pointless for me to go get it waxed. So I stopped getting them done, and I really don't have that much hair anyway. I would just go get them waxed to kind of get a defined shape, but like I said, since this one sits way higher than this one, it's kind of pointless anyway. So while I'm working on my brows, I'm gonna just give y'all a little story time. So yesterday morning, it was like 7 a.m. and I had, you know, I was up cooking breakfast and I was watching YouTube videos while I was cooking. So I was watching BLovesLife's video, her Fashion Nova, I guess, try on video. And I commented on it, you know, like whatever, like I usually do. And while I was pouring my eggs into the pan, I got this notification from YouTube and it said, new subscriber, BLovesLife. And I just stopped and I was like, wait, what? Like, new subscriber, BLovesLife. And at first I thought it was like, you know how they have those channels with the, you know, with similar names, the fake channels or whatever. I thought it was one of those. So I'm like, okay, let me go look at the channel. And it's actually her channel. Like, she actually subscribed to my channel. And my eggs almost didn't make it, y'all, because at that point I was just like texting people like, oh my god, guess who subscribed to my channel? So thank god nothing got set on fire, but thanks Miss B Love for subscribing to my channel. I love your videos. And thanks to all my other new subscribers as well. So I'm definitely going to be making a mukbang video. I have not made any yet. That's not really, you know, my channel is not mukbangs, but I would like to make one, you know, or two. So I'm definitely going to make one with my daughter whenever she gets off from school, because she loves mukbangs. She's been wanting to make one anyway, so hey. So I'm going in with this concealer from Maybelline. I don't even see the name, but it's like one of the cheapest concealers in there. It's like $5. So I'm just outlining my brows with that. And like I said, my brows are very uneven as far as placement. So trying to get them to look, see, this one has way more of an arch than this one. And I feel like if I arch this one higher, then it's still gonna look crazy. So concealer on here as a base, just using the LA Girl cheapest concealer you can find down here anyway, as far as I know. Blend that out. One thing that I really want to work on as far as eyeshadow is my cut creases. Like, I don't feel like I have eyes for a cut crease, first of all, and it frustrates me so much. Like, it's very time consuming. It's just a lot, and I don't know, I don't really have patience for that a lot of the time. So, and then not only that, like, I don't really have time to just sit down that long and focus on, you know, eyeshadow. Like, most of my makeup looks are for me to just, you know, something quick for me to get out the door. You know, I'm going somewhere. I don't really, like I said, have time to just sit there and do a 3-hour eyeshadow look. And a lot of the times, that's how much these girls spend on their eyeshadows. Those extravagant eyeshadow looks, they spend a lot of time on that. And me, I can't do that right now. Maybe one day I'll get extra time to just sit and practice. So the palette I'm using is It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetic palette. I guess this is the first one she had. I think she has another one that just came out recently. Lately, I haven't been wearing makeup at all. It's too hot down here for that. So. Like I said, it was supposed to be something simple because I'm trying to go. And it's about to rain. I need to find a different lash glue. Like, if y'all know a good lash glue, let me know, because the one I have is crazy. Like, it'll dry, it'll be sticking really good, and then all of a sudden the lash will just pop off. Like, and I always have to make sure I have it in my purse because it's just like, it does whatever it wants to. This is the lash glue I use, or have been using. And I really need to find a new one, because this one sucks. Oh, where are my lashes? Where did I put those lashes? Y'all, I had some lashes on and I took them off, and I did not know where I put them. So I need to go look for them. Well, the lashes are gone, but I did find the rest of the pack. So, I hate that. Like, every time I go somewhere and I come back really late, I end up losing my lashes, and that's why I always have to buy more. Throw a little primer on. Foundation. I guess we're gonna use this Makeup Forever HD. I need to stop buying foundation because when it gets to a certain point, I just stop using it, and it's kind of like a waste. So I don't want to waste anything else, and I don't feel like this color matches me that great. It's a little bit too red, I think. Not red, like, I don't know. I just don't feel like it melts in. Like, after it oxidizes and everything, I don't like the way it looks. Or maybe I'm just used to, like, Fenty. Because with me, I get foundations, like, that match my face and my neck and also my body, because my face and my neck are darker than the rest of my body. So sometimes I'll get a foundation that matches my face and my neck, like the darker areas, and then I'll get a lighter one that matches my body. So maybe I'm just used to the darker one, because the Fenty that I have is definitely matches the darker parts of my skin, and I love that one. So I guess since I'm so used to seeing myself with that's just what I'm used to. That's what I like to see.
Then
White gold in the middle. I mean, in the inner corner. For a little powder and a little bronzer. Just to add some dimension back into the face. The lip liner I use is always the same one. It's from Jordana Cosmetics, and I get this from Walgreens. And I like the eggplant color because I kind of feel like it just goes with any color I have, and I mostly wear like nudish, brownish color looks, so, or just like glosses. And I mean, I'm like a fan of, I guess, the dark lip liner with the lighter okay, so this is the final look. Like I said, something quick because I have to go, but thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you back for the next one. Bye.